Hey, this is Emily from Dupaco, and we've got Erin Engler here today to share her favorite tips and tricks with you on how to save money when you spend. Enjoy.
Whenever you're talking about reallocating your finances and saving money for that matter, it's all about sacrifice. I mean, there's always things that we want to spend our money on. And again, even speaking for me, I find very creative ways to spend money where I shouldn't be spending it. So it's really about making those sacrifices and having a plan. So if I know that I'm saving money in one area, rather than taking that money and doing something that I want to do, am I really thinking far enough ahead for those bills that may be upcoming, or for those expenses that I need to be saving for my future? If you're a spender and you know that about yourself, sometimes it's just taking a step back to say, is this really truly in need? Do I really need it? Can you sleep on it for a day or two before you go out and make that purchase? If you have a very expensive satellite or cable bill, it's always a good opportunity to reevaluate your services no matter who they're with. And for us, it just meant that we went to streaming services. Now, even with streaming services, there are times where there are better deals out there from one company to the next. So you have the ability to maybe take advantage of some of the promotional offers that are out there. If you are noticing that there are maybe some memberships or services outside of like the cable and satellite realm that you are spending money on, but really don't have the ability to take advantage of right now, that might be another way that you could find to cut some of those costs out of your monthly budget and save yourself some extra money. I don't go anywhere anymore, so I'm barely filling up my car. So that is a huge area that I've been able to take that money and reallocate towards other things. I'm feeling the effects of being at home every single day with how much we are spending on groceries. But I am noticing that, I'm not spending in those other areas. So I can take that extra money and put it towards those additional expenses that I'm now feeling the effects of more at home. Be creative in maybe some of those household things that you would typically spend a lot of money in. Maybe you can do it yourself. So another really cool way that I have found to save money is even just in making my own laundry detergent. So those are some really simple ways that you could potentially save some money and make a little bit of sacrifice along the way. I live in the country, and I'm seeing more birds than I've ever seen in my life. The other day we had anywhere from 20 to 30 goldfinch just chilling out in my yard. So I'm on a mission to get bird seed and bird feeders, and I got my hummingbird stuff, and I'm buying flowers to attract hummingbirds and butterflies because why not? So that's where my money is going. So I have all these beautiful tropical looking flowers going on right now in my house, and unfortunately it's too cold to put them out, but my house looks pretty. That's where my money is being spent, as opposed to maybe the food, which would make more sense because it feeds my family.
Thanks, Erin. If you'd like one-on-one budget help, contact Dupaco. That's what we're here for, and we're happy to help.